Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculating the standard deviation of a probability distribution is super quick if you follow these 3 simple steps. Let us jump right into the math now. First, we calculate the second moment by multiplying each squared outcome by its probability and summing them up. This gives us the average of the squared values. Boom, that is 3.9. Next, we find the variance by subtracting the square of the mean from the second moment. This measures the spread of our distribution. That calculation leaves us with exactly 1.34. Finally, we take the square root of the variance to get the standard deviation, which gives us the typical distance from the mean. You got this. It is 1.16. Great work! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Do not forget to square the mean, as using the mean alone is a trap.